show you how to make sugar-free chocolate chip cookies. And what you'll need is some flour. You can use any type that you want. The artificial sweetener of brown sugar. The artificial sweetener of white sugar. 2 sticks of melted butter. Some eggs. Some sugar-free chocolate chips. Some baking soda. And some vanilla extract. So what we need to do is we need to measure 2 1/4 cups of flour. And then should look something like that. Put that in, and we need to add another 1/4 cup. And then should look like that. We put that in. Then we add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And when measuring stuff out with this with a measuring spoon or a measuring cup, you want it to be as level as possible. Then we add 1/2 cup of the white sugar and the artificial sweetener. Okay, then it should look like that. And then we need to add 1/2 cup of the artificial sweetener or brown sugar. It's kind of a little clumpy here. Alright, let's just say that's 1/2 cup, even though it's all clumped up. And then we mix that together. And with mixing things together, it's really important that you get all the ingredients mixed up as good as you can. And after it's mixed up, it should look something like that. Alright, and then when the solid ingredients are all mixed together, we are now going to add the liquids. So you need the 2 sticks of butter, which is equivalent to 1 cup. And then we're going to add the eggs, and we need 2 eggs. And with these eggs, to crack them open, a trick is that you can crack them on the side. And it should be a little crack like that. And then you take the open spot and then peel the shell off and then dump it into there like that. Alright, and then we're going to add the vanilla extract. And then you need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to mix that all together. And then once again, it's really important that you get all of the ingredients mixed together as good as you can. After all the ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like that. And then the next step that we're going to do is we're going to add the chocolate chips, and we need 1 cup of chocolate chips. And then we mix that together. And when the chocolate chips are mixed into the dough, it should look something like that. And after the chocolate chips are mixed into the cookie dough, we are going to put them onto a cookie sheet. And then you can use either cookies or like a cookie scoop thingy or like an ice cream scoop. And then you scoop some of the dough out, and then you make sure it's as flat as possible, and then you remove any of the extra. And then it should be kind of flat like that. And then we're going to put that onto the cookie pan or cookie sheet. Yeah. And use that. And then once again. Okay, let's scoop out the extras. And then when you place the cookie dough onto the cookie sheets, like on the end here, you don't want it to be too close to the edges. And with the cookies, you don't want them to be too close together. And then when you bake them in the oven, you bake them for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After the cookies are done baking in the oven, this is what they should look like.